In this lesson, we learn about the adverbs of manner. But first, let's consider what an adverb is. Remember that an adverb tells us more about the verb. An adverb describes or modifies the verb in some way. Many adverbs end with the suffix ly, but not all. Adverbs often tell us how something happened. These are some examples of how we can form adverbs of manner. Usually, our adverbs of manner come from adjectives. We have examples like in beautiful, slow, and bad. However, if our adjectives end with y, remember that you have to change the y and write an I, and then you have to add ly. However, we have some irregular forms like good, fast, and hard. As you can change, fast and hard have the same form. Let's read some rules that you must follow in the spelling of adjectives ending in le. Remember that when the adjectives end in le preceded by a consonant, the final e is usually changed to y to form the ly ending. For example, favorable, favorably, humble, humbly, simple, simply. And when the adjectives end in le preceded by a vowel, in most cases, ly is simply added to the positive form of the adjective. For example, agile, agilely, soul, solely. However, in the case of the adjective whole, the final e is removed before the ending ly is added. Whole, wholly. There are some other rules we have to consider when we want to transform our adjectives into adverbs of manner. When the adjective ends in double L, only Y is added. For example, dull, dully, full, fully, shrill, shrilly. And the adjectives ending in UE, you must have to take the final E before the ending ly is added. For example, due, duly, true, truly. This is another group of adjectives ending in y. When the adjective ends in y, preceded by a consonant, the y is usually changed to I before the ending ly is added. For example, busy, busily, easy, easily, happy, happily. However, in the case of the adjective gay, y is changed to I before the ending ly is added. Gay, gaily. However, in the case of the adjectives shy and sly, ly is simply added to the positive form of the adjective. Shy, shyly, sly, slyly. When the adjective ends in y, preceded by a vowel, in most cases, ly is simply added to the positive form of the adjective. For example, coy, coyly, gray, grayly. It should also be noted that there are several adjectives ending in ly which have no corresponding adverbs. Some of them are friendly, likely, lively, lonely, silly, and ugly. These words are adjectives. They are not adverbs. When it is desired to use one of these words to modify a verb, an adverb, phrase, or manner may be used. In the following examples, The adverb phrases are underlined. He behaved in a friendly manner. They acted in a silly way. We also have another group of adjectives that end in IC. However, when the adjective ends in IC, the syllable al is usually added before the ly ending. For example, dramatic, dramatically, scientific, scientifically, specific, specifically, basic, basically. Notice that you have to change the word. Finally, we have the group of irregular adverbs. These following tables give examples of adverbs of manner, location, time, and frequency, which do not end in ly. For example, good, well, fast and fast, hard and hard, little, little, loud, loud or loudly, much and much, straight and straight. Another group is early, early, first, first, late, late, long, and long. The other group is related to location, to places, far, far, high, low, near, and wide. And finally, these adverbs of frequency: daily, monthly, weekly, and yearly.